Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cookie jar. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need at least 2 pounds of clay, a pottery wheel, and basic hand tools like a wire cutter and a rib. A clean, organized workspace is crucial for a smooth process. We'll begin by centering our clay on the wheel, preparing it for the initial form. This foundational step ensures your cookie jar will be stable and well balanced. Now, let's focus on shaping the main body of your cookie jar. Begin by centering your 2 pounds of clay on the wheel, then open it up to create a wide, stable base. Carefully pull the walls up, aiming for an even thickness of about 1/4 inch. Maintain a consistent cylindrical form, ensuring the top opening is wide enough, perhaps 6 inches in diameter, to easily access your delicious cookies later. Next, we'll craft the lid and add some personal touches. Throw a separate lid, ensuring it has a gallery or flange that fits snugly inside or over the jar's opening. Attach a comfortable handle to the lid's center. This is also the perfect time to add any decorative elements, like carved patterns or applied textures, to the jar's surface. Once complete, let both the jar and lid dry slowly to a leather-hard consistency. Finally, it's time for firing and finishing your cookie jar. First, fire your leather-hard jar and lid to cone 04, which prepares them for glazing. After cooling, apply 2 to 3 even coats of a food-safe glaze to both pieces, ensuring complete coverage. Then, load them into the kiln for their final glaze firing, typically to cone 6. This last firing vitrifies the clay and glaze, making your cookie jar durable and ready for use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.